Hello guys and welcome to another review. I'm Kiri from KLGadgetGuy, going to be reviewing the latest case by Phanteks, the Enthoo Pro M. It's a mid-tower case priced at $79 or in Malaysian currency 320 ringgit, which competes with NZXT S340 at the similar price point. Though it's named Enthoo Pro M, making it the mid-tower option of Enthoo Pro, but it has an identical interior frame with the Evolve ATX. The interior design follows up with the latest trend by manufacturers to make it open concept with lots of flexibility. It comes in two color options, titanium green and satin black. Starting off with the side, we have a smaller window panel which is not as big as the one on the Evolve ATX, but the thickness and quality of the glass panel has been improved with more scratch resistance. Despite the window quality improvement, the side panel is just plain steel without any sound deadening material, which is one of the cutoffs from this case to keep the cost low. It comes with a 5¼ inch drive bay at the front and I/O panels on the side, sporting two USB 3.0 ports and audio jacks. The front panel has a dust filter, which is a standard in most casing these days. Moving over to the fan and radiator mounting options, the front is capable of two 140mm fans and three 120mm fans made possible by removing the ODD cage. A nice thing added here is the mounting rail for maximum flexibility and height adjustments. Although it's smaller than the Enthoo Pro, this was a pretty good move in terms of flexibility, since you could only mount two 120mm fans in the Enthoo Pro's front, despite it being a full tower. Over at the top panel, we could see a magnetic dust filter, which is pretty decent. The top gives you access to a removable top fan bracket, allowing you to mount three 120mm fans. I love this because it allows you to comfortably mount the fans separately one by one onto the bracket and mount it back one shot on top of the case, just by sliding it in and screwing it in. A lot of features was kept from the Evolve ATX line. Velcro straps for cable management, drive caddy at the bottom of the cage, hidden behind the PSU cover, and a double SSD bracket mount at the back of the mobile tray. It's factory shipped with one stock fan, and it also has optional angle brackets for 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch drives for mounting in the front. Phanteks has pushed it further by allowing us to remove the ODD cage at the front to enable three 120mm fan mounting, comparing to the Enthoo Pro, which only allows to mount only two 120mm fans, although it's a full tower with a bigger size. It also lacks the white color variant which was in the Enthoo Pro lineup. The PSU cover sports a nice cable exit to enable to route PCIe power pins to your graphics card, which would definitely look better if you have sleeve extenders. The spacing at the back is good enough for cable management, and the Velcro strap is definitely a bonus. The holes are well aligned for cables, perfect for ATX size motherboards. Airflow for flowing and exit is good, and it is effectively silent when running. Overall, we love what Phanteks have brought forward and improved on the flexibility of this case. This would definitely do well with enthusiasts who wish to liquid cool their system, and there's lots of mounting holes to mount reservoirs and pumps. Though, a more bigger and wider window would have been nice to show off the aesthetics of your liquid cooling parts. It definitely beats the NZXT S340 in terms of flexibility, and it is also one of the best mid-tower cases out there at a good price to feature ratio, especially with the endless possibilities. Definitely recommended for people who wants a good case with flexibility. With a price of $79 or in Malaysian currency 320 ringgit, it's hard to resist what Phanteks has brought to the table. That's all for the review today. Hope to see you guys in the next one.